Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. Overview of Oracle 23ai versus 26ai. Oracle database 23ai, foundation for AI native data. Oracle database 23ai was a major long-term support release that brought deep AI integration into that core Oracle database. It marked the transition from classic relational databases to an AI native platform where AI workloads, analytics, and transactional analytical data coexist. What is the key new features introduced in Oracle Database 23ai? 23ai itself, that AI vector search core AI integration implemented, a native support for vector embeddings, semantic representation of text, images, etc., and vector similarity search inside Oracle. Oracle AI Vector Search and Database 23ai enables retrieval-augmented generation (RAG) and LLM-driven application using private enterprise data directly from the database. And the next point, unified AI plus SQL querying. Vectors can be queried alongside relational, JSON, and other structured data types without moving data into the external system. Hundreds of developers and SQL enhancement. A new SQL syntax support, example, better JSON handling, group by aliasing, DML enhancement, a data types operator enhancement, example, Boolean data type, duality between JSON and relational data. And coming with that security point of view, security integration and management, improved security option, better integration with multi-cloud environments, performance and tuning improvements powered by AI insights. And coming up with the Oracle AI Database 26ai, next generation AI native platform. Oracle AI Database 26ai replaces 23ai as the latest long-term support release and builds in it without changing the core database architecture or APIs. The key focus on this release is to elevate and expand AI capabilities, add enterprise-wide analytics, and make the database smarter, more flexible, and easier to use. What is the major enhancement in Oracle AI Database 26? The major enhancement, number one, unified hybrid search across all data. Native AI vector search is more tightly integrated with relational JSON graph, text, and spatial queries, so you can mix semantic and structured search in a single SQL statements. Number two, enterprise AI analytical plus lakehouse support. Autonomous AI lakehouse uses Apache Iceberg, open the table format to run AI SQL queries on both data lakes and warehouse data. Interoperable with Databricks, Snowflake, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and delivers Exadata powered performance plus serverless scaling. Number three, AI for application developers. Natural languages development tools and AI agent creation framework, example, AI private agent factory, simplify building intelligent application without heavy coding. Data annotations improve accuracy of AI queries and application generation. Number four, advanced security and governance. Support for multi-factor authentication across all the logins, improved security, and TLS 1.3 support and enhanced secure transport, quantum resistant encryption standards. Number five, developers and operation enhancement. A new vector types, example, binary vectors for lower footprints and faster computers. Expanded SQL capabilities and drive support, JDBC enhancement. Enhanced observability via open telemetric and diagnostic tools. Number six, the performance and caching. True cache, it is enabled mid-tier caching that keeps latency low while preserving full SQL semantics, relational, vector, and JSON, etc. So what is the upgrade path? If you are already on 23ai, you don't need to go for a major upgrade. Just apply the October 2025 release update to transition to 26ai. No application recertification or new architecture is required. If your database, if the database 23ai database is already running, you just need to apply the release update 23.26 release update. You need to update on 23ai. It becomes 23ai database upgrade. So 23ai was a Oracle first AI native database release introducing vector search and AI-centric data processing. But in the 26ai expand that vision into the unified AI data platform with advanced analytics, developer tools, better security, hybrid vector integration, and enterprise scale capabilities, all while keeping compatibility with the 23ai. Thank you for watching Oracle F1 channel. Thank you.